Have you ever woken up in the morning, looked in the mirror, and wondered when exactly your reflection began to change? Maybe your skin seems thinner, your joints ache a little more, or your energy is not what it used to be. But what if I told you that the answer to waking up stronger, feeling more energetic, and even looking younger could be hiding right inside your morning cup of coffee? Stay with me for the next few minutes, because I am about to tell you something that could completely change how you start your day and how your body feels every single morning. And as you listen, I want you to leave a comment down below and tell me what your morning coffee routine looks like right now, because what you put in that cup might just be the key to rebuilding the very structure of your body. You see, deep inside your skin, your muscles, and even your bones, there is a natural protein called collagen. It is the glue that holds you together, the supportive structure that keeps your skin firm, your joints flexible, and your muscles strong. But after the age of 50, your body starts producing less and less collagen, almost like a slow leak in the foundation of a house. Every year you lose about 1% more, and by the time you are in your 60s, your natural collagen levels can be cut in half. That is when the stiffness begins, when the skin starts to sag, and when muscle recovery feels like it takes forever. Now imagine if you could feed your body what it is losing, right there with your morning coffee, without changing anything else about your day. That is where collagen powder comes in, and trust me, its benefits are nothing short of shocking. Collagen is not just a beauty supplement, it is a biological building block. When you consume it, your digestive system breaks it down into amino acids, tiny molecules that your body uses to rebuild tissue. These amino acids, especially glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, act like repair materials for worn-out joints, brittle bones, and thinning skin. Your body recognizes these as familiar nutrients and starts using them to strengthen cartilage, which cushions your joints, to improve the elasticity of your skin, and even to rebuild the microscopic fibers that keep your muscles firm. For seniors, this means less stiffness in the knees, less soreness after walking, and a gradual return of vitality that feels like turning back time. But here is where it gets even more powerful. Studies show that taking collagen in the morning, especially with something warm like coffee, helps your body absorb it better because the warmth of the drink activates your digestion. That is why so many nutrition experts now recommend adding just 1 scoop of collagen powder into your coffee daily. It dissolves easily, has no flavor, and blends perfectly, so you do not even notice it is there. But your body does. Within weeks, many people start to notice changes. Smoother skin, fewer fine lines, stronger nails, and hair that feels thicker and more alive. Inside your joints, collagen starts to rebuild the protective layer called cartilage, reducing friction and pain. If you have ever felt that sharp pinch in your knee when climbing stairs or the ache in your shoulders when you reach for something, collagen can actually help cushion those joints again. It is like adding oil to a rusty hinge. Slowly, steadily, the stiffness fades. And here is something fascinating. Collagen supports the lining of your gut, known as the intestinal mucosa. As we age, that lining can weaken, leading to poor nutrient absorption and bloating. Collagen helps seal those microscopic leaks, improving digestion and nutrient uptake. That means you do not just feel better, your body actually gets more value from every meal you eat. And for those who struggle with sleep, collagen contains glycine, an amino acid that calms your nervous system and helps you rest deeper. That means not only do you move easier during the day, but you also recover better at night. Imagine waking up without stiffness, without that first 10 minutes of slow movement before your joints warm up. Imagine standing taller, feeling confident in your body again, and realizing that aging does not have to mean decline. Collagen gives you the chance to rebuild from within. And the best part? You do not need to buy fancy creams or expensive treatments. You just need your regular morning coffee and a small scoop of collagen powder. I want you to picture this. Every sip of your coffee sending signals to your body that say, repair, rebuild, restore. Over time, your skin becomes more hydrated, Fine lines fade and your muscles begin to feel like they used to. And that is not magic. That is biochemistry. Your skin is made up of nearly 70% collagen. When you replenish it, you give your cells what they have been starving for. Your connective tissues, the ones that hold your muscles and organs in place, become more resilient. Even your bones, which are part collagen matrix and part minerals, become stronger. Many seniors report not only less pain but also a greater sense of physical stability, better posture, and a noticeable lift in mood. Because when your body feels strong again, your spirit follows. Think about how many mornings you have started your day with a cup of coffee that gives you a quick burst of energy but fades away within hours. Now imagine that same coffee becoming a delivery system for long-term healing. It is almost poetic. The drink that wakes you up also helps your body rebuild while you go about your day. That is the power of collagen. And if you are wondering which type of collagen powder to choose, look for hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Hydrolyzed means the protein has been broken down into smaller particles your body can absorb easily. It usually comes from bovine or marine sources, both excellent for skin and joint support. You can find it in unflavored versions, which blend smoothly into coffee, tea, or even smoothies. Just 1 to 2 scoops a day can make a visible difference over time. And please, if you have tried collagen or are planning to, let me know in the comments how you are adding it to your coffee, because your experience might inspire someone else who is struggling with pain or fatigue to give it a try. Now let us get a little deeper into how collagen interacts with your body's systems. Your joints rely on a gel-like material called synovial fluid. This fluid acts as a cushion, preventing bones from grinding against each other. Collagen supports the production of this fluid by keeping the tissues that surround your joints healthy and flexible. In the same way, collagen also strengthens ligaments and tendons, the cords that connect muscles to bones. When these structures weaken, movements become painful and restricted. But when collagen levels rise, mobility improves. That is why many seniors who start taking collagen notice that walking, gardening, or even dancing becomes easier again. Inside your skin, collagen fibers act like scaffolding. They support new cell growth and maintain elasticity. Over time, sun exposure and oxidative stress break these fibers down. When you supplement with collagen, your body starts rebuilding them, literally firming your skin from the inside. That is why dermatologists often say that collagen is the foundation of youth. And if you are wondering about safety, collagen is one of the most well-tolerated supplements you can take. It is simply a natural protein, free of stimulants, and it works in harmony with your existing biology. Now here is something most people do not realize. Collagen can also support your heart. The walls of your arteries are made partly from collagen. When they lose flexibility, blood pressure rises. By supporting collagen production, you help your arteries stay elastic, promoting better circulation and heart health. That means the same powder that helps your skin and joints could also help protect your heart. And if you mix it with coffee, which already improves alertness and metabolism, you get a synergy, energy for now and strength for later. It is one of those rare cases where something simple can make a profound difference. I know what some of you might be thinking. Can just 1 scoop of powder in coffee really do all that? And the truth is, no supplement replaces a healthy lifestyle. But when combined with good nutrition, hydration, and movement, collagen works like a catalyst, speeding up your body's natural repair process. The results speak for themselves. Smoother skin, easier movement, deeper rest, and a renewed sense of vitality. Many seniors describe it as getting a piece of themselves back, a quiet transformation that builds day by day. And it is so easy to start. No complicated regimen, no strange taste, just 1 scoop stirred into your morning routine. So the next time you make your coffee, pause for a moment and think about what you are giving your body. Are you just giving it caffeine, or are you giving it the building blocks it needs to stay strong? If you could do one simple thing every morning that could help you feel younger, would you try it? Let me know in the comments because your story matters. Maybe you are someone who struggles with knee pain, or you have noticed that your skin is not healing as fast as before, or you simply want to stay strong for your grandchildren. Collagen could be your quiet ally in that journey. Every scoop is like telling your body, I am investing in my strength. So tomorrow morning, when that coffee aroma fills your kitchen, think of it not just as your wake-up moment, but as your rebuild moment. This is how you start aging on your own terms. Add that collagen, stir it in, and take that first sip knowing that each morning is a step toward feeling better than the day before. Because aging is not about slowing down, it is about learning how to support your body better. And this one small change could be the secret you have been missing. So go ahead, try it for 30 days, see how you feel, and come back to share your results in the comments.